What's this verb? Can you read it out for me?
Sleep.
And what would it become?
Sleeping.
Very good.
It didn't have a E, so we just add ing.
Amazing work. Well done.
Sheep.
Sleeping. Very good.
Right. Ready.
Well done.
Fell. So we just and we did add ALL, so that's double, so we just add ing.
That is correct. That is perfect, Neeraj. Great work. So be falling.
Right.
Falling.
Ready.
Amazing. What about this one?
Just add ing.
Just add ing. You're right. And what would it spell?
Jumping.
Jumping. Very good. You can submit that.
Right. Ready.
What about this one?
Climbing. Climbing.
Climbing, yes. It's a very soft B when we say it.
Yes, it didn't have a E, so we didn't take away E and ing. Just add ing. So
you picked this up so quickly, Neeraj. Climbing.
Climbing. I am climbing the wall.
Wonderful.
Or the fence.